Just bought PlayStation 3 160GB slim version. Take a look on the box. Just PlayStation Network things, PS3 Move, PS3 on the back. All the different accessories you can get with it. Then on this side, just the logo and charcoal black 160GB. Let's get into this. Just all the menus. So, put this on the floor there. DualShock 3 6-axis controller, USB charging lead, I'm guessing, power cord, AC and TV adapter things, and that side here, just manual, never gonna read. Now for the main event, the Ps3 itself. And there we go. Has buttons. That bit is black. I thought it would be silver, but it's not. Standard buttons. PS3 logo. It's a different feel. It's not smooth. You got 2 USB ports. I'm guessing that's the hard drive. Tilt it over. Let's just get a light. Don't worry. PS3 warranty seal. Hard drive comes out there, I'm guessing. That's all for this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, subscribe and like. Peace out.